What's up, howdy y'all, I'm Connor, and today we're going to be talking about a 2020 Harley-Davidson Lowrider FXLRS, courtesy of Central Texas Harley-Davidson. They brought it back. Many people were distraught when they discontinued the Dyna Lowrider S, but this is a new and improved. The main difference is going to be suspension. That's going to be in two different locations. You have the inverted front end. They went ahead and did away with the traditional forks that you see on many Harleys, as well as removing the twin shocks. I know, remove the twin shocks? Yes. And now you have a monoshock system. It's going to be comparative to the sport bike realm. It's going to allow for much better handling. This 2020 Lowrider S is driven by an MH114 motor. This has also been beefed up with the Stage 1. You have a ventilator air cleaner as well as a TBR exhaust. Some of the other items that you can see on this motorcycle are a few upgrades that you can pick up at your local Harley. You have the redesigned and revamped quarter fairing. It's been given a breath of fresh air, much like the rest of the Softail line, where they got rid of the Dyna, but is this a better line with the monoshock? You be the judge. Come to Central, test ride one, let them know I sent you, and let me know what you think of the monoshock system. Continuing up here in the front, we have a set of 14-inch West Coast T-bars paired with a set of Memphis Shades handguards. The handguards do a great job in deflecting lots of the wind in this colder weather climate, or if you're on longer rides, it's going to help deflect a lot of those rock and smaller road debris and keep your hands from getting hit and nicked. One other major upgrade when it comes to motorcycles is going to be LED lighting. Why? That's going to allow you to be seen as well as see what's on the road. This Lowrider S has been fully equipped with a set of custom dynamic pro beam turn signals. They're all white LEDs for added visibility. That's also going to help project a little bit added light in the road in front of you. But also, the cool thing is whenever you do indicate and engage your turn signals, they're going to turn all yellow. And when you're done making your turn, you simply disengage your turn signal and they turn all white again. Same thing with the hazards. All white, you engage your hazards and they're all yellow. Again, that's going to help with added visibility. One other thing to make note of when talking from the Softail line with the previous model of the Dyna Lowrider S is going to be your bullet turn signals. On the Dyna, you had your bullet turn signals, and if you wanted to add a rear third light, you would have to go ahead and purchase one and add it to it. But this one comes with it, where your turn signals, your bullets, are secondary to your primary tail light. We talked about the motorcycle, but now how does everything apply? You have your inverted suspension in the front. You also have your monoshock, which is going to allow you to take the bumps a lot better, as well as going into the turns. One thing that we had to consider is how are you going to stay locked into your bike? We have a set of Harley-Davidson 80 grit MX style foot pegs. They're going to help keep your feet planted. That's all cool, Connor, but how does it sound? I know that's why y'all are here for. What we have here on this 2020 Lowrider S is a TBR 2-in-1 stainless steel exhaust. Are you interested in test riding this bike? Be sure and check them out at Central Texas Harley-Davidson, 2801 North I-35 in Round Rock, Texas.